Hello dear grade 5 students. Students, whose picture is this? Right, journalist. What do you call the one who treats your teeth? Right again, dentist. Whom do you see here? Of course, scientist. Can you guess who are they? Well, they are archaeologists. Students, please open your Oxford Ink text and come to page number 76. We are going to start discussing a new lesson, what lies beneath. Let us start reading. Warm up. An archaeologist is a person who studies ancient cultures by finding and examining articles found in the ground. Help the archaeologist find the treasure. It won't be easy. She has to find them in order without crossing her path or backtracking. Write the names of the items she finds near the hints. Students, the hints are given below. You have to choose the right answer for the questions given in front of you. Please solve this and we will discuss the answers in our live class. Before reading further, let us discuss the new word meanings. First is excavate. To remove part of something by scooping or digging it out. So excavate means to dig out. Artifact. An object such as tool, weapon, ornament of archaeological or historical interest, especially such an object found at an archaeological excavation, means artifact. Here are few examples of artifacts. All of these can be called artifacts. Other word meanings. Mysterious means secretive or puzzling. Preserved, protect or conserve. Elaborated, detailed. Ancient, very old. Elite means superior. Shimmer means shine with a soft wavering light. Let us now see what is the meaning of archaeology. Well, archaeology is the study of remains of past human life, which began 500 years ago. Archaeologists study artifacts or things made by people. Archaeologists excavate or dig in the earth to attempt to understand how people lived long ago. An archaeologist studies the human past through physical remains called artifacts. Artifacts are objects made, used, or modified by humans. Here are few pictures in front of you where you can see an archaeologist working on wooden coffin which have been excavated from different sites. Let us now see why do we need to study artifacts. Not many written records from ancient times are available to us. So, we study the artifacts. The main reason the archaeologists decide to excavate is that they have many research questions about the past that they think only can be answered by digging in a particular area. And also to study human development. What archaeologists look for when digging? Well, they look for buried treasure like tools, etc. Ecofacts, seeds, animal bones, soils, etc. Features like wall, floor, fireplaces which cannot be moved. And middens means garbage dump or animal bones, shells, etc. Let us now come to page number 77. Read this short interview and find out how Frederick Herbert became a real-life archaeologist and what his favorite discovery is. Students, before reading this interview, let me tell you in short about the archaeologist Frederick Herbert. Here is his picture. Frederick Herbert, archaeologist and curator, has traced ancient trade routes overland and across the seas for more than 20 years. He has led excavations at ancient Silk Route sites from Egypt to Mongolia. His discoveries in Turkmenistan, at a 4,000 years old city along the Silk Road, made headlines around the world in 2001. So now we are going to read an interview of this famous archaeologist Frederick Herbert. Students, tell me, what do you know about an interview? Have you ever read an interview of any of your favorite sports star? I'm sure you must also have set of questions which you would like to ask if you become an interviewer. Students, as you know, interview is an interaction between two persons for a particular purpose, and it is also for exchange of ideas and communication between two people. I'm on page number 77 and I will start reading this interview. Question: how did you decide to become an archaeologist? Answer: I wasn't actually interested in archaeology. I think most people think that you are almost born to be an archaeologist. And I like to think that anybody who's played in a sandbox is a future archaeologist. My own interests were different. I went to school. I thought I was going to be an artist. And I was trained to draw. I loved drawing. I drew anything. I drew nature, I drew objects, and because of this, I was able to get my first job on an archaeological excavation drawing artifacts. I guess that's where the archaeology bug bit me, and I became really interested in the story behind the artifacts. So slowly, I became more interested in artifacts than I was in doing the drawings. But I have to admit, I still do all the drawings on my own dig. Next question: what has been your favorite discovery? Answer: I was excavating a trade site in the Red Sea coast of Egypt. The reason people had built a town at this particular site was that it's a great trading place. It's a place where ships would come in, but it's so dry that everything preserved. So when we excavated there, we found the house of a merchant who had been living on the coast waiting for ships to come in. He had warehouses, and there were remains of many of the things that came in and left through the warehouses in his house. We were excavating this house and we finished the excavation, and there was a reed mat in front of the house that was still preserved. This was about 700-year-old reed mat, and we were done with our excavation and I had taken drawings. I had done drawings of the house and we had photographed it, and I thought, gee, it's a shame to leave this reed mat here on the ground. So I pulled it up, and then we made a really interesting discovery. Underneath the mat was the house key. The merchant had left 700 years ago. He had hidden this key underneath the doormat, thinking he would return one day, and it even had his name written on it. Students, we will stop here. We will continue reading in the next video. And here comes a task for you all. Students, in our live class, we will be having a mock interview where You will become an interviewer and ask any 3 questions of your choice to the great archaeologist Frederick Herbert. In our next video, we will unfold some mysteries of mummies and the culture which was prevailing in ancient Egypt. So students, we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.